What up, guys? First video, Tri-State Rev Squad. Let's get it. We're at Omni Exhaust and Repair this morning with my 19 Dodge Charger RT. It's already got factory X-pipe. Was gonna put X-pipe in it, but factory come with it. So we're doing a mid-muffler delete today. Greenup Avenue, Ashland, Kentucky. That's where we at. And we're gonna switch this camera around. We're gonna get some footage, and we're gonna go from there. What up, guys? This is Andrew with Tri-State Rev Squad, and do a little video here of inside the car, what it sounds like with the X-pipe and mid-pipe delete. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty nasty. I'm excited about it. More mods on the way for sure. Looking at a cam kit and Whipple supercharger. Definitely we'll have videos for that stuff. So here we go. Pretty nasty. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it. We love the sound of the car. The X-pipe and the mid-muffler delete is perfect for this car, I think. Sounds just about right. There's no drone really a whole lot. If you're rolling 50, 60, 70 miles an hour, it's really not that loud until you actually get on it. But please give us a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure your bell, your dinghy's on, however you say that. And we'll see you next time.